Are you struggling to attract that special someone? This video is for you. The hot and cold methods can be powerful tools in attraction. Let's dive into how they work and how to use them effectively. First, let's define what the hot and cold methods are. It's all about creating desire through contrast. You show intense interest at times, then pull back slightly. This balance makes you intriguing. Step 1. Start with genuine interest. Approach the person confidently. Show your personality and charm. Use open body language and maintain eye contact. Your warmth makes a strong first impression. Step 2. After connection, pull back slightly. This could be less texting or making plans. By doing this, you create a little mystery. This makes the other person curious. They start to wonder about your feelings. Step 3. Re-engage with warmth again. Reach out and show interest. Drop a compliment or ask about their day. This hook draws them back in. Now let's explain why this approach works. People naturally want what seems hard to attain. By alternating between warmth and distance, you build tension. This tension can create excitement and allure. Imagine your crush at a party. You're chatting and laughing, then you step away. They notice the change and feel drawn to you. When you return, you'll seem even more appealing. To sum it up, balance is critical in attraction. Use your warmth wisely, pull back when necessary, and keep them intrigued. This hot and cold method can lead to stronger chemistry. So, are you ready to implement these techniques? Start today and see how your interactions change. For more on attraction strategies, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.